Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a very short review and demonstration of the iCarsoft LR version 1.0 kit. The tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. As you can see, we are in a Land Rover here. It's a Land Rover Discovery, and we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard. This is the LR version 1.0 kit, and I'm going to show you how to diagnose and reset this fault. So first of all, what we're going to do is click into Diagnostics. We have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, obviously, and we're going to select Land Rover. And from this part of the menu, we're just going to go down and select our specific vehicle. So this is a 2010 Discovery with a 3-litre diesel V6 engine. Click onto Manual. And we'll scroll down and click the SRS, which is the Supplemental Restraint System or Airbag System. It's going to ask us to read fault code, and we've got two fault codes here: B0028, right side, which is the driver's side in this case, airbag deployment control, and driver safety belt buckle pre-tensioner deployment control. There was a problem with the connection underneath the driver's seat, which has now been put back together and tightened back up. So we suspect everything should be okay now with the airbag system. However, obviously we still have the airbag light, so the only way to reset that airbag light is to use a tool like this. So we're going to click onto clear fault memory, and then we're going to click onto, when I click OK, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go. Airbag light has disappeared, and we've got erase operation done on the screen of the LR version 1.0. So it's a great tool for any Land Rover or Jaguar enthusiast, owner, or anyone who's looking to maintain their own vehicle and keep an eye on any faults that may be sort of coming up on their vehicle. It is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.